What's up guys, my name's Alex, I'm here with Tony. We're going to be doing this 30-day questionnaire. What this is going to be basically about is we're going to be talking to Tony and asking him a couple questions, like I said, for the next 30 days, just kind of on his road to entrepreneurship and see what kind of tips he can give people who are just getting started or older people who are just looking to see just Tony's input. So let's just get right into this. So Tony, I just wanted to ask you, kind of when you were first getting started, what was, in your opinion, the most difficult thing to kind of look into and just to get started?
You know, I'd say that one of the most important things when I was first getting started was making sure that I had a great accountant and a great lawyer. And why I say those two things is, like, you may think in the beginning whenever you're getting started, it's like, you know, focus on your branding, focus on your business plan, focus on this and that, you know, on your product, your service. And those are very important things to focus on. However, none of that is going to happen, or it may all get destroyed very quickly if your legal structure isn't set up correctly, if your accounting structure isn't set up correctly. Because if you wait too long to actually get these things set up, it's going to really hinder you in the future. If you, for example, if you get sued, if you get audited, right, and your accounting wasn't set up correctly, or even if, like, you just waited 6 months to set up your accounting, right, in QuickBooks. We waited like 3 months to start setting up and importing transactions and to start doing journal entries. It really took us a lot more time and cost us more, because having to do back journal entries for companies, it costs more because it's harder to do, because you're having to think back to what was that transaction, what was that transaction. So definitely, you know, making sure that you start from day one with the right accounting structure, the right accounting software, you know, really. Whether it be QuickBooks or Wave or, you know, some other kind of accounting software, and making sure that you consult your lawyer and your accountant on the legal structure that's most advantageous based off of taxes and, you know, your region. I would say that that's the most important thing whenever you get started. One of the most important things, you know. Just setting yourself up right, and it's going to help you get off on the right foot.
Yeah, definitely sounds good. Okay, so would you say lesson for day one, accountant and lawyer?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.
So yeah, let us know in the comments below if you have any other questions or any other topics you want us to talk about. But, you know, as always, we do have the Penngo Entrepreneurship Mastermind group that you can join on Facebook. We meet twice a month at the Cannon, and it's also going to be you know, recorded live stream for y'all to tune into if you can't make it here in Houston. And as always, you know, please share this with your friends and subscribe and like it.
Yeah, and like Tony said, if you guys have any other specific questions you want to ask, definitely put those in the comment, and we might use them for future videos. But other than that, you guys have a good one, and tune in for the next one.